following our coastal weather report.
Eastern Bergen,
As of 2 p.m. this evening,
Western Bergen, Western
temperature was
Essex,
43
It's not what I want.
in Western Union, in Oregon.
There it goes! Oh shoot! Okay, winter storm warning. Let's go, let's go. It's here, it's here. Yes! Can you just go off already? There. Oh my god, let's go. Let's go!
Total snow.
Why did you have to be
between
late?
5 and 7 inches. Where portions of southern
Oh
Connecticut,
my god,
northeast
let's
New
go!
Jersey, and southeast New York. When from 1
Yeah,
p.m.
with the
Sunday
storm
to 4
warning.
p.m. Monday,
I knew it!
impacts roads and especially
Woo!
bridges and overpasses.
Oh
will likely
my
become slick and
goodness.
hazardous. Travel could be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.
Leave plenty of room between you and
Hold up.
and allow
Is it gonna be a double header?
The coastal
No.
waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island inlet, New York at 20 nautical miles.
Oh.
Small craft advisory in
Make
effect
sure
until
your
9
car is
p.m. this evening.
winterized and in good working order.
South winds 15 to 20
This
knots.
is no weather radio out
Again,
to
15
New
knots.
Jersey on a frequency of
3 to 4 feet. Occasionally
500.
Bro, it's still not on
Wave
cases.
details.
The current time is
At 6 seconds.
2:58 p.m.
Future
Eastern
showers
Standard
late this
Time.
morning.
I'm waiting for the one that Mount Holly issued now.
Weather
For
forecast.
tonight, southwest winds to
West
10
New
knots.
Jersey,
Becoming
thunderstorm
more
watch on Sunday morning, Sunday night, this afternoon. Range west
South 4 feet at 6 seconds.
upper
Slight chance of showers in the evening.
south winds 5 to
For
10
Sunday,
miles.
Dude.
north